Have you ever wondered how to order food in English at a restaurant?
In this video, you'll learn how, with real conversation, useful phrases, and listening practice.
Welcome back to Talk English Podcast.
Today, we'll practice listening with a real restaurant conversation.
Stay tuned for useful phrases and grammar tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite sentence in the comments. Let's listen in.
Hi, John. I'm so glad we could finally catch up. This place looks really nice.
Hey, Sarah. Yeah, it's been a while. I've heard great things about this restaurant. The atmosphere is, cozy, and the menu looks amazing.
Totally, I'm starving. Let's check out the menu.
Sure. I think I'll go with the grilled salmon. What about you?
I'm in the mood for something spicy. Maybe the chicken curry?
Great choice. Oh, here comes the waiter.
Good afternoon. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'll have the grilled salmon with mashed potatoes, please.
And I'd like the chicken curry, medium spicy, with steamed rice.
Great. Would you like any drinks?
I'll have an iced tea.
Just water for me, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
So, let's pause here and look at some useful vocabulary and expressions from what we just heard. This is where you can really level up your English, right?
That's right. I noticed several useful phrases in that conversation. First, Sarah said she was glad they could catch up. This is such a common expression when you haven't seen someone in a while and want to, talk and share updates about your life.
Yeah, and Sarah also mentioned she was starving, which is just a casual way to say I'm really, really hungry. It's more expressive than just saying I'm hungry.
Exactly. And for pronunciation, starving sounds like stare-upping. Another useful phrase was, I'm in the mood for, which is how you express what you feel like eating or doing at that moment. Sarah was in the mood for something spicy.
And did you notice how she ordered her curry medium spicy? That's a great way to describe how spicy you want your food. Mild, medium, or hot. Super useful when ordering at restaurants.
Let's continue with the conversation and see what happens next. It smells so good in here. I'm really looking forward to this meal.
Same. It's such a great spot. So how's everything at work?
Pretty busy as usual, but I'm managing. What about you?
Things are going well. I'm actually working on a new project. Really exciting stuff.
Here's your grilled salmon and chicken curry. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
Wow, this looks amazing. Let's dig in.
That was a natural English conversation you might hear in a restaurant. Did you notice how the friends transitioned from ordering food to catching up about work? That's typical small talk during meals.
Now let's quickly review a key grammar point from the dialogue. This is something that trips up a lot of English learners.
Right. I want to focus on the difference between would like and want. In the conversation, Sarah said, I'd like the chicken curry. And the waiter asked, would you like any drinks?
And the important thing to remember is that would like is generally more polite than just saying want. So instead of saying I want water, you can sound more polite by saying I'd like water, please.
Absolutely. And this is especially important in restaurants and other service situations where politeness really matters. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'd like a coffee, please.
And would you like anything else?
Darn great job. Now, a final tip for everyone listening to Talk English Podcast today. When you're eating out or even just role-playing at home with friends, try using these phrases. You'll sound more natural and polite, just like native speakers.
Yeah, now it's your turn. Write a short comment and tell us what you would order at a restaurant in English. Would you go for pizza, sushi, or something spicy like Sarah did? We're really curious to know.
And if this episode helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson from us here on Talk English Podcast.
Thanks for listening and practicing with us today. We really appreciate you being here. See you next time on Talk English Podcast. We suggest you watch the next video to learn more about 20 smart sentences that you can use in everyday life.